Hey everyone, welcome to Chirala. It's a lively town right on the coast of India, known for its awesome culture, busy textile industry, and stunning beaches. Chirala is located on the east coast of India in the state of Andhra Pradesh. This bustling town is about a 40-minute drive south of Ongole. Getting to Chirala is a breeze, thanks to its well-connected roads. If you prefer trains, Chirala has its own railway station, ready to welcome travellers from all over India. Coming from abroad, no problem. The closest major airport is Vijayawada Airport, about a 2-hour drive away. Chirala has a special energy, a rhythm set by the hard work of its people. This town, nestled on the southeastern coast of India, is a vibrant hub of activity where tradition and modernity coexist. The streets are always bustling with the sounds of commerce, and the air is filled with the scent of fresh produce and the hum of conversations. It's a place where every corner tells a story of resilience and dedication. It's famous for its lively textile industry. The market is a kaleidoscope of colors, with stalls displaying an array of fabrics that are both intricate and beautiful. Each piece of cloth is a testament to the skill and creativity of the artisans who have honed their craft over generations. The textile industry here is not just a means of livelihood, it's a way of life, deeply embedded in the cultural fabric of Chirala. The sound of looms fills the air, a reminder of traditions passed down for generations. These looms, operated with precision and care, produce fabrics that are sought after not just locally but also in distant markets. The rhythmic clatter of the looms is like a heartbeat, a constant reminder of the town's industrious spirit. Skilled workers turn cotton into beautiful fabrics, each thread a symbol of their dedication. The process is meticulous, requiring patience and an eye for detail. Watching the artisans at work is like witnessing a dance, each movement purposeful and graceful. The end result is a piece of fabric that carries with it the essence of Chirala's rich heritage.
Our work here is more than just a job. It's a passion, a calling that has been passed down through the generations. Whether it's weaving fabric or casting nets into the sea, the people of Chirala approach their work with a sense of pride and purpose. It's this dedication that sets Chirala apart and makes it a unique place. It's a legacy we inherited from our ancestors. The techniques and skills have been refined over time, but the essence remains the same. Fishing, like weaving, is an integral part of Chirala's identity. The fishermen here are not just workers, they are custodians of a tradition that has sustained their community for centuries.
But Chirala's industry isn't just about looms. The town's economy is diverse, with various sectors contributing to its vibrancy. From small-scale industries to larger enterprises, Chirala is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit of its people. Fishing is a big part of life here too. The harbour is always a hive of activity, with boats coming and going and fishermen preparing for their next voyage. The sea provides not just a livelihood but also a way of life, deeply intertwined with the town's culture and traditions.
Fishing is in our blood. It's something we are born into, a tradition that we embrace with pride. The sea is our second home, and every trip out into the waters is a new adventure filled with challenges and rewards. It's about feeling connected to the sea, to nature itself. There's a sense of freedom and fulfillment that comes from working in harmony with the natural world. The sea is both a provider and a teacher, offering lessons in patience, resilience, and respect for the environment.
Every day, you can see colourful fishing boats returning to shore loaded with the day's catch. It's quite a sight. The boats, painted in vibrant hues, are a symbol of the town's lively spirit. As they dock, the fishermen's faces light up with a sense of accomplishment, knowing that their hard work has paid off. The air buzzes with activity as the fish are unloaded, sorted, and prepared for the market. The harbour transforms into a bustling marketplace, with buyers and sellers haggling over prices and exchanging stories. It's a scene that captures the essence of Chirala's community spirit, sorted and prepared for the market. The process is efficient, yet there's a sense of camaraderie among the workers. They share a common goal and work together to ensure that the freshest catch reaches the market. Further out, you'll find floating farms where they raise fish and prawns, showing how adaptable the town is. These farms are a blend of tradition and innovation, utilizing modern techniques to enhance productivity while maintaining sustainable practices. These farms are a sign of how Chirala embraces new technologies. They represent the town's forward-thinking approach, ensuring that it remains competitive in a rapidly changing world. The combination of traditional wisdom and modern innovation is what makes Chirala's industries truly unique. Chirala is a town where history comes alive. Walking through its streets, you can almost hear the whispers of the past. The old buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each brick and stone telling a story of its own. The town's rich heritage is evident in every corner, from the ancient architecture to the traditional activities that are still practiced today. Ancient traditions and modern life exist side by side. It's fascinating to see how the people of Chirala have managed to preserve their cultural heritage while embracing the conveniences of modern life. You can see people in traditional attire walking alongside those in modern clothing, creating a unique blend of the old and the new. The town is dotted with temples and religious places, each one with stories to tell about times gone by. These temples are not just places of worship, they are repositories of history and culture. Each temple has its own unique architecture and significance, reflecting the diverse religious practices that have flourished in Chirala over the centuries. One such wonder is the Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple, a popular pilgrimage site. This temple is not only a spiritual center but also a marvel of ancient architecture. Pilgrims from all over the region come here to seek blessings and to marvel at its intricate carvings and serene atmosphere. Then there's the Sri Venkateswara Swami Temple, a place known for its peace and tranquility. This temple offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The calm and peaceful environment here provides a perfect setting for meditation and reflection.
Our temples aren't just for worship, they're the heart and soul of our community. They serve as gathering places for various community events and festivals. These events bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and belonging. The temples are a testament to the strong community spirit that defines Chirala.
But Chirala's culture isn't limited to temples. The vibrant street life and bustling markets are equally important aspects of the town's identity. On any given day, you can see the streets filled with people going about their daily routines, vendors selling a variety of goods, and the air filled with the sounds and smells of everyday life. It truly comes alive during festivals. These celebrations are a riot of colors, sounds, and activities, showcasing the town's rich cultural heritage. The streets are adorned with decorations, and the air is filled with the sounds of music and laughter. Sankranti, Ugadi, Diwali, and Dussehra turn the town into a kaleidoscope of colors and celebrations. Each festival has its own unique customs and traditions, adding to the rich tapestry of Chirala's cultural life. These festivals are not just about celebration. They are about community, tradition, and the enduring spirit of the people of Chirala. Chirala's coastline, stretching along the Bay of Bengal, is a paradise for beachgoers.
Chirala Beach, with its soft golden sand and calm waves, is the perfect place to relax and listen to the soothing sound of the ocean.
The town also hosts various cultural events, especially during festivals, showcasing its rich artistic heritage.
Performances of Carnatic music and traditional dance keep the spirit of Chirala alive and vibrant.
Chirala is changing rapidly, finding a balance between its traditions and the demands of modern life. There are ongoing efforts to improve infrastructure, making life better for everyone. New roads are being built, making trade and tourism easier. Healthcare facilities are being upgraded, ensuring everyone has access to good medical care. Education is a top priority, with new schools and colleges popping up. The town is also focusing on improving basic public services, making everyday life more convenient. Chirala has a tropical climate, with its days and nights ruled by the sun and the sea. Summers are hot and humid, but the monsoon season brings some much-needed relief. Winters are mild and pleasant, a welcome break from the heat. Being close to the sea keeps the climate moderate, with cool breezes taking the edge off the sun's heat. Chirala is at its most delightful during the cooler months. If you venture outside Chirala, you'll discover even more hidden gems. Chinakoli, a nearby village, offers breathtaking scenery and a slower pace of life. Then there's Bapatla, a town steeped in history, home to ancient temples. And about a 30-minute drive from Chirala, you'll find the pristine Sri Lanka beach. The crashing waves and the vastness of the Bay of Bengal are truly awe-inspiring. Sri Lanka Beach is a place to reconnect with the beauty of nature. Chirala faces its share of challenges, like finding a balance between human progress and protecting nature. The town is a beautiful blend of natural landscapes and urban development, but this growth comes with its own set of problems. As more buildings rise and more people move in, the impact on the environment becomes more evident. The delicate balance between development and nature is something that needs constant attention and care. Coastal erosion caused by rising sea levels is a threat to the town. The once pristine beaches are slowly disappearing, and the coastline is being reshaped. This not only affects the natural beauty of Chirala, but also poses a risk to the homes and livelihoods of those living near the coast. The rising sea levels are a stark reminder of the broader environmental changes happening around the world. Efforts are underway to fight this erosion and keep Chirala safe. Seawalls are being constructed and the community is actively involved in cleaning the beaches. These initiatives are crucial in protecting the town from further damage. However, these efforts require continuous support and participation from everyone in the community to be truly effective. Pollution from the textile industry is another issue that needs attention. The factories, while providing jobs and boosting the economy, are also contributing to the pollution of water bodies. The rivers and lakes near these factories are often contaminated, affecting both the environment and the health of the local population. Addressing this issue is critical for the well-being of Chirala.
To tackle this, we need stricter environmental rules and cleaner production methods. Implementing eco-friendly practices in the textile industry can significantly reduce pollution. Factories need to adopt green production methods and comply with environmental regulations. This not only helps in preserving the environment, but also ensures a healthier future for the residents of Chirala.
The future of Chirala depends on finding a way to balance economic growth with environmental sustainability. It is a delicate dance between progress and preservation. The town's unique charm lies in its natural beauty and vibrant community. By working together and making conscious efforts, Chirala can thrive and continue to be a place where both nature and human progress coexist harmoniously. Chirala is like a beautiful tapestry woven from threads of tradition and progress, where cultural heritage meets modern dreams. Whether you're drawn to its history, its economy, or its natural beauty, Chirala is a town worth exploring. It's a shining example of India's dynamism,